Welcome back to our Pitman Shorthand Motivation Series. Today's lesson is very important for all students, and that is, do not be discouraged by people saying there are already too many stenographers. Yes, you will often hear this. People will say there is an oversupply of stenographers. But think about this. There is an oversupply in almost every trade and profession. There are too many lawyers, too many teachers, too many carpenters, too many blacksmiths. Yet people still study law, become teachers, learn carpentry, and practice trades every day. Why? Because good workers are always needed. The oversupply usually comes from people who do things only halfway. People who don't learn properly, don't practice seriously, or don't take pride in their work. A good lawyer, a good teacher, or a good carpenter is never without work. And the same is true for shorthand. A good stenographer will always find opportunities. Yes, there will always be poor stenographers, just like there are poor workers in every field. They may stand in your way at first, but if you prove yourself skilled and reliable, you will quickly pass them. The truth is, the demand for competent stenographers is increasing. Those who have been in this field for years will tell you that the calls for skilled shorthand writers have grown many times over in the past few years, and are likely to grow even more in the future. Even if technology or AI becomes stronger, this will only increase the need for higher standards of skill in those practicing shorthand. Ambitious students should not be afraid. The required standard is not so high that an ordinary student with common sense and steady practice cannot reach it. Maybe one day, far in the future, there will be too many good stenographers. But that day is so far away that no one alive now needs to worry. Your focus should be on becoming skilled, not on the negative talk. Remember, good workers are always in demand. So stay focused,